Hey guys, Kirk here from Treehouse 51, and in this video I'm going to show you how to set up default settings on YouTube so that when you upload new content you don't have to copy and paste filler text or description text onto new pieces that you add onto YouTube. So step number 1, log into your YouTube account and visit YouTube. Step 2, go to the right hand corner and select your icon, and then go down to where it says settings. Step 3, you should be on this page. Scroll down to where it says view additional settings. View additional features. And then finally on the left hand side, you're going to want to find channel and upload defaults. So select upload defaults. Upload defaults is where you can add some filler text. So you'll see that we have some filler text, learn about the bug squasher, links to different articles that we've written, videos, hashtags, also tags that we want to implement onto videos when we upload them. You can also set up the privacy, which I like, so sometimes we upload videos and we're not ready to release them yet. So you can set that up right here, and that's it. Let us know what you think of this video, and if you found it useful, do give us a like, and if you have comments or ideas on next videos, please leave them below. We do try to read every comment that's added, and we will try to get back to you as soon as possible. Thanks.